All right, ladies and gentlemen, my name's Kenny. This is my 2006 Toyota Tundra. Pardon the road noise, beautiful day, a lot of cars. Whoops. I wanted to share with you guys a quick potential fix for why your truck might not have heat in it. This little guy here, oh, there's an arrow on here. So when you turn the valve, and you can see me turning the valve, or the thing inside the dash, the heater vent control knob, and you see that this lever is moving while I'm turning from hot to cold. So this little guy is a little valve that when coolant comes through here, passes up through the radiator, the engine, all that stuff, it goes into here, and that's your heater core inside your box. Whoops. So for me, I wasn't getting any heat, and this guy is pretty much to blame in my case because this little thing here dries out, gets a little stuck, and in my case, just wiggling it helped it immensely. But I'm gonna take a little bit of silicone spray and just kind of, help it. All right, and there you can see that I got the action moving a little bit better, and hopefully that'll keep me going. I just want to make a quick video because this might be the first thing you need to check before you bring it in. If this thing is stuck, it's not going to let coolant pass through into your heater core to heat your cabin of your vehicle. So that was my issue. Drove it on a nice cool morning, 50-degree morning. I was like, I should turn the heat on. I got no heat. Why? And came out to the truck, moved this thing, boom, heat in the vents again. It was just stuck a little bit. So that fixed my issue. Hopefully it will save you a trip to the dealership or a repair shop, and you can fix it on your own. Save yourself some coin. Otherwise, if this video helped you, make sure you hit the thumbs up, like it, comment, consider subscribing for more how-to video games, beer. I do a lot of stuff. Thanks for watching.